Hey, this is Danny looking at another case product again, and today I'm going to be reviewing the SGP Spigen Saturn. If you're familiar with the ultra thin air cases that Spigen SGP make and you're a fan of them, then I think you're really going to like the product that they have for you now, which is called the Saturn, which has a brushed aluminum back on there and looks really nice. And it comes in 3 different colors as of the making of this video: the red one, which I'm going to review today, the slate version, and there's also a white version. So I'm going to give you a chance to win this slate version, so stay tuned. The MSRP of this case is $26.99, and it comes with the jelly buttons, and that's it, no screen protector. But it is available on Spigen.com or on Amazon.com, so go ahead and check them out on both outlets. But if you have Amazon Prime, then you get faster shipping, so check them out on those 2 sites. So here is what the Saturn case looks like on the back of the black iPhone 5. You can see there's a Saturn branding on the back, and it's pretty flush on the back. And you can see the aluminum backing that is on there in between the 2 plastic parts on the top. So it definitely matches the iPhone really well. And you can see there's really nice cutouts there for the camera. And you can see how they even beveled the edges on the back so it matches the iPhone 5. So the attention to detail here is really nice. The cutouts for the mute, silence button and the volume up and down buttons are cut out very, very well, and it's very easy to get to, and it definitely remains tactile here. And you can see the Spigen logo on the bottom left. And on the very bottom, you will see it exposed just like the ultra thin air cases of prior, and on the right side you will see nothing, and on the top it is also exposed, but you can see I have the glass TR on there and it works just fine with this case. So there is a Saturn back fully, and it looks really nice. As you can see, the brushed aluminum really makes it pop, and this red color looks really, really good, especially with their red home buttons. So if you're looking for a case that's not going to add a lot of bulk, but you definitely want that nice premium feeling of the OEM iPhone shell with the brushed aluminum casing, then I think this is really going to be a good compromise for you, because you're going to get some protection. Now, don't expect full protection, but you can see how nice it fits in there. It definitely does not move around, and you can see how thin this profile is, and it leaves all the cutouts open and everything. So if you're familiar with their ultra thin air case, it's very, very similar to that, but it just has more premium materials. It definitely has a little bit more detailing to it, and it's held up very well. I've tested this phone out for a week with the case on it, and I've also given it to my wife, and she is pretty rough on her phones as well, but it definitely held up very well. The grip is pretty good. And the only thing is that maybe on the aluminum, it might be a little bit slippery, but for me, I haven't had a problem. But that's one of the things that my wife is complaining about, is that the brushed aluminum is a little bit too slick for her, and she ended up dropping the phone a couple of times. But the case has held up really, really well. So I recommend this case. I think it's really nice. I think it's one of the nicest thin profile cases out there, and definitely the aluminum gives it that pop. So all I really need here for you to win this case in black is 50 likes on this, and I'll definitely give this case away for you. So make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.